Welcome to Touring Globe. Join me as I try to plan the ultimate road trip using these genius hacks, and let's see if I can pull it off like a pro in 2025. Did you know that 70% of road trip plans fail due to poor organization? Let's change that. In this video, you'll discover genius planning hacks that will transform your road trip experience in 2025. Many travelers struggle with long drives, unexpected detours, and wasted time, leading to frustrating trips. We'll explore essential tools and apps for route planning, packing strategies, and tips for keeping everyone entertained on the road. 1. Pre-trip planning. Start strong. Why planning is key. A solid plan avoids expensive last-minute decisions. Balance spontaneity with preparation. Plan a route framework but keep time for detours and discovery. Route planning tools. Road Trippers app. Add points of interest, gas stops, scenic byways. Google My Maps. Make a shareable, custom route. RV Trip Wizard. For RVs, includes height restrictions, dump stations. Trip duration and pacing. Aim for 4 to 6 hours of driving max per day. Any more becomes tiring. Build in 0 days to rest, explore, and catch up on laundry or maintenance. 2. Choosing your road trip vehicle. Vehicle types. Vehicle readiness checklist. Oil change, tire pressure, brakes. Spare tire plus jack. Windshield washer fluid. Working headlights, taillights, indicators. Emergency roadside kit. 3. Packing like a pro. Essentials. Driver's license, insurance, car registration. Credit, debit cards, multiple, some cash. Copies of important documents. Smart storage. Use bins, organizers, and packing cubes. Keep daily use items accessible, snacks, charger, wipes. Heavy items low and toward the front of the vehicle for balance. Clothing strategy. Pack layers. Temperature varies greatly across the U.S. Quick dry clothes for spontaneous swims or laundry. Sandals, hiking shoes, and one, nicer, outfit. 4. Budgeting and money-saving hacks. Gas savings. Gas Buddy. Compare gas prices in real time. Fill up in suburban areas, not next to the highway. Avoid premium gas unless your car requires it. Accommodation budget tips. Use apps like Hotel Tonight, Booking.com, and Priceline for last-minute deals. Free camping in national forests or BLM land. Use Harvest hosts to stay at farms, wineries, requires membership. Food cost control. Cook one hot meal per day. Bring a mini stove, jetboil, or grill. Eat local lunches, cheaper than dinner. Buy in bulk, Costco, Walmart, and cook at camp. 5. Camping tips and car sleep setups. Where to sleep for free, legally. National forests, BLM land, 14-day limits, no permit needed. Rest stops. Some allow overnight stays, check signs. Truck stops, Love's, Pilot, Flying J, safe, well-lit, often have showers. Walmart. Many allow overnight parking, ask store manager. Sleeping in your car comfortably. Use a memory foam mattress or thick pad. Window insulation, Reflectix, for temperature plus privacy. Use dark mesh screens to keep windows cracked for air. 6. Staying clean and organized. Shower options. Truck stops, $10 to $15, clean, private, towel included. Gym memberships. Planet Fitness, $10 $25 per mo with nationwide access. Campgrounds and some gas stations have showers. Staying fresh on the go. Baby wipes, dry shampoo, deodorant. Pack a laundry bag, detergent sheets, and quarters for laundromats. Portable solar shower for off-grid washing. 7. Entertainment and digital life. Download before you go. Music. Spotify playlists. Podcasts. Road tripping, crime, history. Audiobooks. Audible or free Libby app, library access. Movies, TV for nights in, Netflix offline mode. Offline access tools. Offline Google Maps. Download all trails, road trippers pins. Save local emergency numbers in your phone. Fun on the road. Travel bingo, card games, trivia. Storytelling rounds or daily video logs. Keep a journal, sketchbook, or Polaroid album. 8. Safety and emergency prep. Emergency must-haves. Jumper cables, tire inflator, spare tire, jack. Multi-tool, duct tape, rope, bungee cords. Power bank, flashlight, glow sticks. First aid kit. Include motion sickness meds, bug spray, aloe. Driving tips. Avoid late-night driving in remote areas, wildlife plus fatigue risk. Don't rely only on GPS. Have physical maps. Let someone know your location every few days. Security tips. Hide valuables in a lockbox or under seats. Always lock doors and use sunshades for privacy. Park under lights in well-populated areas. 9. Bonus tips and genius hacks. Pro-level hacks. Use shower curtain rings plus clips to hang lights in your car. A cookie tray on your lap equals desk, dining table. Freeze water bottles equals stay cool plus melt for drinking. Bring a foldable shovel for snowy or muddy conditions. Comfort extras. Inflatable pillows, eye mask, earplugs. Solar string lights for cozy vibes. Folding chairs and table for outdoor dining. Hammock if you're camping near trees. 10. Route ideas for every vibe. Classic cross-country. NYC, Chicago, Denver, Moab, Vegas, San Francisco. Epic mix of cities, mountains, deserts, and coasts. Great Northern Drive. Seattle, Glacier NP, Yellowstone, Badlands, Chicago. Ideal for nature lovers and hikers. Southern Charm. Savannah, Charleston, New Orleans, Austin, Tucson. Warm weather, live music, food, and southern hospitality. Pacific Northwest plus NorCal. Portland, Crater Lake, Redwoods, Napa, San Francisco. Forests, beaches, and wine country. 11. Sustainable and responsible road tripping. Leave no trace. Pack it in, pack it out. Don't camp on private land without permission. Use biodegradable soap. Refill water jugs instead of buying plastic bottles. By implementing these planning hacks, you'll enhance your road trip experience, ensuring it's smooth and enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, check out my other travel videos and let me know your favorite road trip hack in the comments. Kindly subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.